On Saturn, with the magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Go shopping. Do the shopping. She went shopping last week and spent too much money. They always do the shopping on Fridays. Study. My brother can't come with us because he's studying for his exams. She has only 3 weeks left to study for her exams. Get a newspaper. He doesn't watch the news on TV. He tends to get a newspaper. She gets a daily newspaper. Get dressed. Amanda got dressed in a hurry. John's in his office getting dressed. Take photos. They take photos of each other. She is interested in taking photos. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.